Greetings to my unbelievable VCon UAE V family all over the world. This is your one and only chief and upline, Padman Senatiraja, sitting here in the office, excited about what's happening. That's VCon, equally stressed out because we are all the V partners are discussing how we're all going to lose weight and work out and look super sexy to be on stage. And it's tough, okay guys, because I'm in Malaysia and this is the food capital of the world. So I need your moral support, your emotional support, that I get to at least lose 1 kilo or 2 kilos and build a bit more muscle, okay? And good news, I've launched this new video series of mine called Minute to Make It. It's a 60-second video. I release it once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, 20 times a week, doesn't matter. Alright, so watch my social media space, alright, Facebook, Instagram, and the video will be released by the team. It's 60 seconds. I have to make a video in 60 seconds. It could be a workout video, it could be a message that could change your life, it could be a lesson I learned from Dato Sri Vijay just 1 minute ago and I put it on video. So my new series for 2018 or new concept is called Minute to Make It. Alright, and now we are here and the Wednesday message. Guys, as you know, I am a firm believer of the industry of network marketing. And today, I realize that the world is changing, okay? The world of e-commerce. WhatsApp now is doing conference calls, okay? Unbelievable. Uber, Airbnb, okay? Online shopping is the future. Amazon, Flipkart, you understand? Alibaba, okay? Mobile devices are getting smarter and smarter every single day, from face recognition, voice recognition, okay? Technology is taking over. And this leads to the fact that technology is going to open many doors to people like us, society, of opportunity, entrepreneurship. And our industry, network marketing, is going to be under a lot of pressure. Alright, from competitors, not the industry competitors, external competitors. That right now when you're doing a presentation, the guy sitting there has so many opportunities in his country, in his society, in his world of technology. Alright, he could just say, no, I'm not interested, I want to be an Uber driver. You understand? No, I'm not interested, I want to sell something online. But you need to understand that network marketing is not only an opportunity of entrepreneurship financially. A lot of people today don't understand this. And I need you to listen very carefully and I need you to understand this. Whether you signed up yesterday, alright, if you did, welcome to the craziest journey of your life to max out. Okay, or you've been around for a long time and you're still fighting that battle every single day to be a max out king or queen, which you will. Believe me, you will. Alright. I believe that network marketing is a complete different industry. It's an industry today that is not only talking about commerce or business or products or the industry of network marketing or direct sales. It's a concept of humanity. The reason why I still sit here today and make this video every Wednesday, why I go on stage, why Dato Sri Vijay and Japa are not sitting on their island today, but instead they are traveling around the world speaking at VCon, because we are not only about business. The network marketing today is the most complete approach to changing mankind, alright? To changing and creating a revolution, a rebellion of some sort, of people who can realize their potential, people who wake up and realize that they can make a difference, they can be somebody, alright? And QNet is the only company who has broken every rule. We are going into markets, alright, that no other direct sales company has the brains or guts to go into, alright? That we are pushing limits that have been set by the world and we are breaking records every single day. That we are in Africa, we are in Middle East, we are in North Africa, we are in Central Asia, Right? We are all over Asia. We are now rocking Europe. We are going to South America, North America, every planet from Iceland to Rwanda, we are there. Because Dato Sri Vijay and Japa believe so much that our industry, our company, QNet, is an opportunity that must go to the common man, common woman with the uncommon dream. That we are not there just to be another player in the industry. That we are the lead bird. We are the benchmark. That QNet has been vilified, criticized, attacked by almost everyone around simply because we are different and we are proud of it. That we comply with rules, regulation and laws. Yes, we are a responsible direct sales company, but we don't comply with status quo. Alright? We want everyone to benefit from this business. Now, if you are watching this video today, you made the most important, the biggest decision of your life. You stood up and said that I don't want to be the same. I want to be different. That the day you said yes to the presentation that happened in front of you, that referrer, your upline, whoever it could be, who showed you the plan, the presentation, and you said yes, you made the biggest, most life-changing decision. You joined a group of warriors, right? Rebels who are going to change the world as we know it. Because network marketing is not only about making money. That everyone who has signed up in QNet today, whether they quit, whether they switched off, whether they became millionaires, or whether they're still struggling to max out, their lives have changed positively. That we have helped them grow, realize their potential, stand up for their rights, stand up for the truth, be respected as a man or woman who believes in the power of dreams today. When the rest of the world is quitting on dreams, we are awakening dreams in millions of people around the world. And you are part of this revolution. You are part of this rebellion. You are part of this Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran's army of dreamers and warriors. That I need you to understand that you are not here just to buy a product, qualify your tracking center and take it to max out. You are here for something bigger, something greater, and you need to understand it. That you are now part of this. There's no turning back. You started this journey, so let's finish it. No matter how challenging it becomes, no matter how difficult it becomes, and I know it's difficult, because I didn't get here by luck. I didn't get here on the fast track. I struggled more than you. So did Dato Sri, so did Japa, so did Arun, Adli, David, Sati, Dave. They struggled, they paid the price. A price that may be bigger than what you are paying right now. And I know when you face that challenge, you reach that fork in the road where you got to decide whether you want to stay or you want to quit. I'm telling you, stay. Stay, because you are part of something unbelievable. You're not part of just a direct sales company. You're part of the greatest organization in the industry called the V. You are part of a life-changing movement of an organization that cares for your personal growth, your personal change, your evolution, of you crossing the line. Think about it. Think of yourself before you signed up. Think of yourself before VCon, before ISB, before power of association with your fantastic uplines, or watching my videos, or watching Dato Sri videos, or Japa's videos on VTube Plus. Think of who you were and who you are today. That you have gone through a leap of growth. That you are starting to become somebody. Your knowledge, your emotional strength, your realization, you're breaking through the glass ceiling and understanding your limitless potential. That how powerful you have become. That today you are a better mother, a better father, brother, sister, son, daughter, member of the community, a human being, because of this organization called QNet and the V. That we are not here about just BVs and earning another check. That's part of your journey. We are here to make you into the most powerful you can be. We are here to unlock that magic within you. We are here to change your perception of yourself. that you should realize just by watching this video that you are unbelievable. That I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself. That you can fly, you can max out next week, next month, if you choose to and you know it. But you got to stand up. You got to stand up for your dreams. You got to stand up for the truth. You got to stand up and fight for what you believe in without fear anymore. And I speak to so many leaders, on the phone, WhatsApp, and I ask them, what's the greatest thing that you have achieved in QNet? And these are millionaires. These are people who are maxed out every week for 5 years, 6 years. And I talk to them and they tell me, Chief, the greatest thing I've achieved, that I am not afraid anymore. No more fear. I realize that every fear that have existed in me before is not real. And if you ask yourself today, what's truly holding you back? It's fear. It's fear. It's nothing else. I had it. You may still have it. And if you truly want to come up on stage one day and stand next to Dato Sri and Japa, if you want to be recognized as a V partner, as the most powerful networker ever, then overcome that fear. That nobody and nothing should stop you from your God-given right of dreaming, of making that dream a reality, of changing people's lives. Somebody went on Google and said, Pathman, I read so many negative things about you on the internet. I wanted to slap that moron. How come the internet doesn't write all the good things we have done? The millions of lives we have changed. The millions of women we have empowered to become independent entrepreneurs. Alright? The countries we have rescued economically. Alright? How we have addressed the issue of unemployment around the world, have given jobs to youngsters who never have a chance in their life to earn money. That we have helped people, escape from dictatorships in countries. That we have changed lives. Not only the father and mother, but including children. The Dato Sri Vijay and Japa built this company on rhythm, raise yourself, to help mankind. That is our number one product. That we have created a group of people around the world, regardless of race, religion and creed, that our blood is red in the V, one color. And we are changing lives and you are part of this. So have no fear, because you're not alone. That there's thousands and millions of people. Yes, there are people who don't believe in us. Yes, there are people who will criticize and vilify and complain about us. So what? We keep flying. We keep changing lives. We never stop. You should never stop. And the only question you have to ask yourself today on this Wednesday message, looking at me, and I'm sorry guys, I'm so passionate about this because I believe in this. That I am here not for the money anymore. I'm here because I believe in Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, Japadas Bismarck. I believe that we are not just a direct selling company, but we are a life-changing force. We are a revolution that will redefine the concept of entrepreneurship, the concept of technology, the concept of inspiring somebody to become somebody, regardless of where they come from, their background, which country, race, religion, creed. And this makes us beautiful, powerful, magical, full of love, full of power to make a difference. And I need you to believe in this. I need you to remove all that bullshit fear that you have accumulated from the world. Throw it back at them and be a warrior. And fight for what you believe in. Fight for the truth. Fight for your dreams. Fight for your kids. Fight for your family. With no more fear. If there's one thing I want to communicate in this message, if you stand for the truth, if you have a sincere dream that you're fighting for, have no fear. And you will be a maxed out king or queen. That's how I got here. I didn't get here with brains. I didn't get here because of my skill in network marketing. I got here simply because of one thing. My mentor, my upline, helped me remove all fear from my life and made me into the warrior I am today, speaking to you as your upline and chief. It's time for us to wake up, be proud of who we are, be proud of the family we belong to, and fight and stand up for the truth. regardless of consequence. And that's the only way rhythm works. That's the only way Max Out becomes a reality. And I want to see you guys in VCon UAE, because that's where you will understand truly that we are not a direct sales company. We are a life-changing force that can never be stopped, that can never be quietened, that can never be slowed down. That's who we are. Not because we are great, not because we are the best of the best of the best, no. Because we decided 20 years ago that we will only do this business from here. Love you guys.